Who was Saint Dwynwen? The patron saint of lovers whose legend remains one of Wales's most treasured stories to this day. She was one of the saintly daughters of Brychan Brycheiniog, the 5th century king of South Wales, that Banau Brycheiniog is named after. But he forbade her from marrying Maelon, the man she loved. Dwynwen prayed for help, and an angel gave her a drink to make her forget him. But it turned him into ice. God granted Dwynwen's 3 requests. 1. That Maelon would be thawed. 2. That true lovers would have their dreams fulfilled. 3. She would never marry. She ran away and became a nun, and devoted the rest of her life to helping others find love and happiness. She established a convent on Llanddwyn Island, where St Dwynwen's Church remains one of the country's most romantic spots to this day. For centuries, people from all over Britain have travelled there to seek guidance with romance and visit her holy well, where lovers hope for signs of future happiness. St Dwynwen's Day is celebrated in Wales every year. People exchange cards and gifts with loved ones, including the traditional Welsh love spoon. There are more romantic locations across Wales: St Cubby's Well, Llangybi, Ffynon Fair, Cefn Meiriadog, Maen D Well, Brecon, St Anthony's Well, Llansteffan, Cefn Ydfa Farmhouse, Bridgend, Llywelyn Monument, Haverfordwest. Visit some of these locations to celebrate St Dwynwen's Day. Cadw, for us all to keep.